Hey, we're back at it again, non-consensual towing. That's what we do. We got a car here, flat tires. This has been sitting there for months, but it's been stickered to tow. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it and see what happens. Somebody has pulled the orange sticker off of it, so there may be somebody around close by or somebody around. Anyway, it's got to go. They want it gone, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it disappear. And this thing's treacherous. A little bit of room. Heard somebody yell back there, but it don't mean nothing. Anyway, I'm gonna roll up here and sign them out. Come back over here and grab some more. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. On another one, non-consensual towing. We're back over here on the same property. Matter of fact, this SUV right here, it's got to go too. It was stickered. It's got a January 21 tag on it. We're gonna go ahead and load it up and see what happens. All right, let's get it. Here's my black Ford sticker on it. It does have an ignition release, so I'm gonna roll it forward. I'm gonna roll this car forward just a hair. No tag on it. That's why it was stickered. See if I can get the wheel lift on it. It is gonna be very difficult to get my wheel lift bar on this vehicle, because the curb's in the way and this curb's on this side. It's very, very tight, but I'm still gonna try it anyway.
About my escape, they told me I ain't got to move it to Friday. I can show you the email.
Okay, let me see what I got on the paperwork right here.
Okay, well, she told me I had to Friday. And if you want to take it,
man, who told you that?
Oh, let me pull my email right here. Told me I got the spot at the front office. So if you want to take it, I just sue the shit out of them.
Well, you can't sue. You can't really sue nobody, man. His car ain't worth but $150, man.
Hey, I got
you ain't gonna get much. But hey, listen.
Yeah, I got
if you really did talk to somebody,
I did.
And I can verify that, I'll roll to the next one, man.
Okay, I got you.
If somebody in there, the problem is you got multiple people working in there.
We cool.
Multiple people working in the office. If somebody else didn't realize it was notated to not tow, and it didn't get written on their list, then it was a mistake.
Okay.
Which means they don't want to tow it.
Okay. Let me pull it up. But yeah, I had told her that I was waiting on the part.
Yeah. They're gonna sit there and honk, man. There's 2 ways in and 2 ways out. They can go back around the other way. You know, this is a situation we got to get it handled. You know what I'm saying?
See, look, that email from who I talked to.
That's all I need, man. That's all I need.
Okay.
Have a good one, sir. I'm glad
man.
you showed up because they did make that mistake.
Me too.
I'll let them know at the office.
Okay.
To mark it off.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, man. Have a good one, sir. Thank you for staying calm, too.
Okay.
Yeah, have a good one.
All right, hey, man, I appreciate you.
Yeah, appreciate you. Sorry that happened.
Okay,
Yep.
good. Okay.
Well, I guess everybody heard that if you could hear it over the PTO. That gentleman had an email that I was extending his vehicle. He got an extension from somebody in the office. I plain out read the email. They gave him extra time, and it didn't get marked off their little list. They've got a list that they gave me, and it wasn't marked off. So he was 100% in the right. This one out here is backed up into the bushes. That's how they hide the tag. People hide the tag by backing it up into the bush like that. October 18, look at that. October 18, and they killed part of that bush. Wow. I wouldn't mind seeing somebody come out. Here we go. Looks like we got somebody. It's got somebody peeled the sticker off of it. You see the bush? See what happened to the bush?
Yeah, but I've talked to the property manager about it.
Well, you talked to the property manager about it, but the property manager talked to me about it, and they said to tow it. It's got an 18 on it, and I mean, like I said, it killed half that bush.
Okay.
Being backed up in there.
So I just need to call her?
Yeah, it don't run, does it?
Yeah.
Well, it runs right now. It'll crank up and run right now.
As far as I know. The reason why it doesn't have current tags is because it has emission problems. It won't pass emissions.
Okay. How long has it been since you drove it?
I don't know. My husband drives it every once in a while to make sure it'll drive.
Well, you have the right. You do have the right to pay it out, but the property managers, I don't know if they'll let you keep it here or not. I got to give you the option to pay it out.
What's that?
It's a $100 drop fee on property, and that's up to you. I mean, I do it strictly.
Right
huh?
I'm unemployed right now. But you taking it means it's going to cost more.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, and that's your option. But the car has to crank up and run. If it don't crank up and run right now, if it won't run, then you can't pay it out. Yeah, you have to have the ability to remove it from the property. It's got to be able to run for me to release it.
I mean, I'll go try, but...
Yeah, if you want to see if it'll run, I'll give you the option to pay it out.
Okay. And how do I pay you?
Card or cash, either one. I mean, this, yeah.
I can give you a card?
Yeah, you can call my dispatch. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, if this car don't crank, it's going to be leaving the property. I'm going to go ahead and strap it down because I don't think it cranks. I don't think this vehicle runs. Matter of fact, I'm almost certain it don't. Let's see if it'll crank.
My husband asks if we can jump it. Are we allowed to take it?
No, if it don't crank right now, if it's not operable and not running,
No.
well, it's got to leave the property then.
Okay. So this is the thing.
Let me give you the address. Let me
We'll
give you.
never pick it up. So how does that work?
Well, it's only $75 more to pick it up at the lot if you get it within 24 hours. It's
No,
100.
I'm saying we'll never. If you take this car, we're never picking it up. So how does that work?
Why?
Because
You
we
just don't want it?
anyway.
You don't want it anyway?
Yeah.
Okay.
They were gonna pay me like $278.
Yeah.
Hey, good.
Is this yours?
You finally taking this piece of shit from me?
Yeah, we are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but not just you. There's quite a few cars that are on
Thank you,
property.
brother.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
This is my husband, Rowan.
Yeah, no problem. All right, bye, Janelle. I was going to tell you, there might be insects in there. I'd be careful. But I saw ants. Ants got on me a minute ago when I got near it. But it looks like you might be able to get that stuff out without having too much. Yeah.
I've had this car since it was brand new.
Really? Wow.
2001.
Wow.
It was my brand.
They run forever too. The darn Toyotas, they
It
do.
was only the emissions
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
and whatever I did to it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, eventually it just over last
It
3-4 years.
2018.
Yeah.
I had changed the catalytic converter every year for 3 years.
Yeah, and it kept messing up.
Right. And
Yeah.
when-
Messing up, and then
Yeah.
it started overheating.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
then I was just like, I'm spending like $500
Yeah, I
bucks
just go
every
get
year.
another. Yeah, that's when you get a lot of. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what you might as well just get a new one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all have a good one.
Thank you.
Yep, thank you. Yep. Well, we got that one. She was nice enough. They just they waited way too long to try to get rid of it. And I'll be honest with you, I've said this on my channel numerous times. People have they look at their cars and the cars themselves, running or not, they have sentimental value. She was reluctant to get rid of the car, and I know she was. I could tell by the way she was checking the car over. People are very reluctant to let go of their car. They don't want to let go of the car. They had it 20 years. Yeah, they may have bought that car when they first got together, when they first got married. Who knows? The car had some kind of meaning to her and to him, and they just did not want to let it go. And that does happen, and they get towed. You have to let go of some things, and she needed to let go of the car earlier, and it wouldn't have got towed. She could have got it. It's not worth a whole lot, but at least she would have been able to let it go on her terms and not have some mean tow guy come in and take it. That's basically what happened. But I wasn't mean to her. don't like that she tore that bush up though. Anyway, they were friendly people, best I could tell. They were decent people, and they just didn't want to let the car go.